Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you know, we are continuing the topic of cartilage and bones. The page which you can see on the screen contains only two of the important MCQs, which are: cartilage and bones are types of connective tissue in animals. Another MCQ includes: most connective tissue contain collagen fibers in a matrix. The last MCQ: tendons and ligaments are other connective tissues that contain tightly packed collagen fibers. This page only contains MCQs, as I have already told you. Next, we will discuss the types of cartilage on this page. There are three types of cartilage. Number 1 is hyaline cartilage. Number 2 is elastic cartilage. Number 3 is fibrous cartilage. Define hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is strong yet flexible. It is found covering the ends of long bones in the nose, larynx, trachea and bronchial tubes. Next question is: what is elastic cartilage? Where it is located? Elastic cartilage is similar in structure to hyaline cartilage. It is also quite strong but has elasticity due to network of elastic fibers in addition to collagen fibers. It is found in epiglottis, pinna, etc. The last question on this page is: define fibrous cartilage. Write its location. Fibrous cartilage is very tough and less flexible due to large number of thick collagen fibers present in knitted form. Location: it is found in intervertebral discs. Moving towards important MCQs. Hyaline cartilage is strong yet flexible. Hyaline cartilage is found covering the ends of long bones. Elastic cartilage is quite strong but has elasticity due to network of elastic fibers. Fibrous cartilage is found in intervertebral discs. Fibrous cartilage is very tough and less flexible. The last MCQ on this page is: bone is the hardest connective tissue in body. Now we are studying the topic of bone. Define bone. First short question: bone is the hardest connective tissue in body. Bones not only move, support and protect the various parts of body but also produce red and white blood cells and store minerals. Definition of bone. Moving towards MCQs. Babies are born with about 300 soft bones. The last MCQ on this page: adult skeleton has 206 hard bones. Next, the short question on this page includes: write the structure of bone. The hard outer layer of bone is called compact bone, while the interior of bone is soft and porous. It is called spongy bone. Spongy bone contains blood vessels and bone marrow. MCQs can be asked in the form of: hard outer layer of bone is called compact bone. Interior of bone is soft and porous. It is called spongy bone. Next, define osteocytes. Cartilage contains a single type of cells. On the other hand, bones contain different types of cells. The mature bone cells are called osteocytes. MCQs. The first MCQ includes: the matrix of bones also contain collagen like cartilage. Bone also contains minerals, for example, calcium and phosphate. The mature bone cells are called osteocytes. Well students, we have completed the topic of cartilage. See you in the next video with a new topic inshallah. Okay, thank you students.